No, Ajax as a big history, as a big tradition, like Real Madrid. Real Madrid doesn't win Champions League for a while. Ajax doesn't play Champions League for a while. So we can say that both are monsters in the history, but in this moment we have to go a few steps more to bring European success back. In this, I think both are very, very equal. Obviously, Real has a different financial potential. Real can buy players by certain amounts that Ajax is not able to do it. But the youth football in Ajax is absolutely great. I'm always in love with the players made in Ajax, exactly because of the way they are made. They know everything about the game. They are technically and tactically very, very smart. So they are a strong team. Martin is of course Dutch, but at the same time he has experience by working in Germany and in England. I think this kind of experience makes a coach better. I feel this by myself, experience after experience. I believe I'm stronger. So Martin will be very, very well prepared for the job, and I hope they do well. I cannot wish them lots of success because I will be speaking against myself, but by Ajax history and by the relation I have with Martin, I wish them good.